Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all doing? So today we are making yummy, easy and delicious recipe called Golgappa. Let's start. Things you will need is half kg of yogurt, sugar according to your taste, 4 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of dry mint and 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 4 boiled mashed potatoes. You will add 1 tablespoon red chili, 1 tablespoon haldi or turmeric and salt according to your taste. And these are ingredients for Golgappa. First you will make holes on Golgappa and add the potato filling which we prepared. Now you will pour the yogurt which we prepared at the first. Green chutney or hari chutney, chaat masala, khajur ki chutney, vegetables like cucumber, tomato and onions, aloo bhujia, some coriander and pomegranate, and it's ready. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.